women's organization with history of fight against yes, militarism. I'm adding.
Nangangamba kami na more women abused, more women na matatraffic. Kasi yan ay galing sa ibang lugar ng Pilipinas. Like before, na may basis.
Now we are worried that more women will be trafficked, more women will be thrown into prostitution like before and abused because they will be getting women from other sites in the Philippines.
Kaya ngayon parang pinaplano talaga namin ano yung pwede namin gawin sa Olongapo dahil baka magkaroon na naman ng maraming bars, club.
Now we are planning what to do in Olongapo because it might, the bars and the clubs and the social costs will again and more aberrations will result from